How to find debit card number on Wells Fargo app. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily find your Wells Fargo credit card number using the mobile app. So first, launch the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. Enter your username and password to access your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the menu option. From the menu, tap Statements and Documents. Top statements and disclosures and select your credit card account. Open a recent statement and you will find your 16-digit credit card number listed there. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Wells Fargo credit card number on the app. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.